Hi, everyone. Thank you for joining today. I am Dinesh Varma, Associate Convergent Mediation Consultant at Movolutions. Today, I want to talk about something very basic but extremely important, which is data collection. We usually talk a lot about billing, invoicing, and cash flow, but all of that depends on one thing going right at the very beginning, and that is how usage data is collected. So in this session, we will focus on how does intelligent data collection actually protect revenue. Before we talk about systems or solutions, let me start with a real situation. Imagine a telecom operator launching a new bundle plan with voice, SMS, data, and maybe even some partner services included. Customers love the bundle plan, usage data increases, network traffic looks great, and the business team are also happy. But then month end comes. Finance notices revenue is lower than expected. Customer care starts getting billing complaints, and operation teams are also pulled into manual reconciliation. And the first question everyone asks is there a billing issue? But in most cases, billing actually worked exactly as designed. The pricing rules were correct. The real problem started much earlier. Some usage events were missed, some were duplicated, some arrived late from different systems in different formats. And once usage data is incomplete or inconsistent, revenue is already lost even before the billing starts. So that's why today we are not focusing on billing, we are focusing on collection. So, what really happens when collection doesn't work properly? The impact shows up very quickly. Revenue leakage that's hard to trace, more billing disputes, slower invoice cycles, and higher operational effort. And the biggest issue is most of these problems are discovered after invoices are sent to customer. And at that point, the damage is already done, both financially from a customer's perspective. Let's clearly understand what we mean by collection in mediation. If you look at this picture, it shows the full journey from raw network events all the way to accurate billing. On the far left, we have teleco towers. They generate raw CDRs, including voice calls, data sessions, and location signals. These are very high volume feeds. We are talking millions of events every day, and they arrive in raw and unstructured form. In parallel, we also have apps and IoT platforms. Again, huge volumes, different formats, and different structures. All of this data flows into the collection layer, and this is the most critical point in the entire revenue chain. Here, we do validation, deduplication, enrichment. If something looks suspicious or incomplete, it's quarantined, it doesn't move forward. This layer works in real time, so revenue impacting issues are detected immediately, not after billing. After that, we produced a normalized and unified output. All the customer ID, location, and service context, everything will be aligned. Then only the data moves to the billing engine. And because the data is already clean and tested, billing becomes accurate with a leakage reduced to less than 1%. So the key point here is simple. Control data quality early and revenue is protected downstream. So why is this such a big topic today? Earlier, collection was seen as a back-end technical function. Today, it's a business risk. Why? Services are more complex, volumes are much higher, partner ecosystems are expanding, customers have very little tolerance for billing errors. As complexity grows, legacy collection approaches just can't keep up. And that's where revenue leakage quietly starts. If you look across telecom operators globally, the challenges are very similar. Most organizations struggle with missing or delayed usage data, multiple formats from different sources, heavy manual reconciliation, and low confidence in billing outputs. And this doesn't just create operational headaches, it directly impacts revenue, the customer trust, and cash flow. So, how do operators solve this in a scalable way? This is where SAP Convergent Mediation comes in. SAP CM acts as an intelligent centralized collection layer. It's designed to handle multiple data formats, multiple protocols, real-time and batch processing, and telecom scale volumes. But the business goal is very simple. Make sure only clean, complete, and trusted data reaches billing. Instead of fixing problem later, SAP CM prevents them from happening in the first place. Let's translate this into a business value. SAP CM delivers value in five key areas. Revenue integrity. Every billable event is captured correctly. Faster monetization. Clean data flows faster, so revenue is realized sooner. Operational efficiency. Less manual reconciliation, fewer firefighting activities. Scalability. Handle massive volume without breaking. And business agility. Supports bundles, partners, and modern pricing models. This is not just an IT upgrade, it's a revenue protection strategy. Without intelligent mediation, issues are reactive, disputes increase, cash flow become unpredictable. Using SAP CM, issues are prevented early, billing accuracy improves, customer trust increases, and cash flow stabilizes. To close, let me leave you with one key idea. Real-time mediation doesn't just support billing, it actually protects and grows revenue. With quota control, usage is tracking instantly and preventing bill shock. With fraud detection, abnormal usage is stopped early. With context-aware offers, upsells happen while customers are engaged. With dynamic pricing, margins are protected in real time. So, intelligent mediation is not just about processing data, it's about making sure every usage movement becomes a revenue opportunity. Before we close, I would like to sincerely thank you all for your time, attention, and engagement today. Your participation and interest means a lot, and I truly appreciate the opportunity to share these insights with you. If you have any further questions, suggestions, or would like to continue the conversation, please free to connect with Mobilitions. Thank you.